This is so cool. You can see that how like I'm not good at like drawing, like drawing, but I can draw really awesome, like very much straight line for the French. And you can just fill in the gap, the rest of them. You can do really thin line as well. I'm gonna do some crystals on it, so I'm so excited for this. You see Sarah did the other day with the French neon pigment is so much stunning. Oh, I like that. Go all the way up. Guess we're gonna do some crystal placement for that. Looks good. This one is gonna look good even if you do a nude colors with neon pigment. It's gonna look so cute. If you're happy with this, wanna key it for 15 seconds. I'm excited. And let me see if I get all of that. Just filled it in. It's so nice about this precision brush that you can go into really details. Great. Here for 15 seconds, everyone. For the L's and D, middle for Louis. Oh, super cute. I was like, after keying it, I was seeing it. It's just like, okay, we're gonna put some crystal on it. It's gonna make it matching with the other. It's cool as LV though. That's a good idea. Alright, so I wanna do this one. I just accidentally does it on that, so that's why you can see a little bit of that. I'm trying not to touching any of I'm trying to touching the part of the pink that it had it contaminated. I'm gonna scoop it out later, but I'm not gonna try to mess it up today. Well, it's at the moment right now. That's my pink part. You can even repeating it and do the same V lights on it, and it will look good. I'm gonna move it first before I dust it off, because otherwise I will mess it up again. just gonna blending it very nicely. There you go. Put some crystal on this one. Ah, dropping something. Hello. Well, make sure I say hi to everyone. Hi, your girl. Let me say hi to everyone for just a second. Just want to say hi to everyone. Does Emily has still have their nails and they stuff? You know what? They still have the nails on. I took a picture of Isabella nails, but then now they start cutting them all shorter. So we'll probably want to do a new set for them because their nails had the color acrylic, so I would not do a fill on it unless we're doing the same colors. So Miss Debbie, I'm gonna soak them off for them, and then we're gonna do the new one, so we get to see the new nails. So I'm going to using condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna place some neon crystals on it. I'm so excited for the neon crystal on this look. And I am going to apply just right in, maybe center right there, because that's how I want the nails crystal is gonna be. Blending it. And the no wet top coat on the top. Make sure you close the cap on so then they won't like here accidentally kill yours. No wipe top coat on the top. This will help. There's a 3-step methods will help to grab the base of the crystal in one place. So for all the beginners who are first time start playing with the crystal placements, it's a great way to place your crystal and it will last good to up to 3 weeks. So no wipe top coat on the top of Unclear condensed glue gels. And I am going to use some of, I don't know if I do, I want that one for sure. Oh, nice. And no, I can see the same now. Can't see from far away. Here you go. As long as you place your crystal really close, tight together, usually it's I'll play the pinks one on. See if I find the smaller pink. Alright. I'm trying to find a bar, the straight bar for myself here. Look, so many of them. Hold up. Can I get another tray, please? No. Oh, he messed up my stuff.
No, so much less on here for you today.
Mess up my stuff. Okay, I try to find the right angle so I can see better. Can Instagram see me? There you go. All right, great. No, I don't need it. I'm cool with that. Thank you. I'm using the silver and gold metallic frame. I can't see it. I think the charger. So what I'm doing is to place all the beads in. If you don't want any beads on, why all of a sudden I'm so quiet? Probably because I will focus. But I'm so alert though. I'm like keep looking at it and see what I can play with this. You just need to do is just place your beads between your crystals. I don't know why I'm like a mute moment, because I said, wait a minute, what I'm doing with my neon here. I keep adding it on, and I'm so excited about this nails. So you can see that I just placed the beads between the crystals, and it's kind of make it more defined, and also it's so much fun. It's feel like it's complete though. But if the clients don't want all those beads, absolutely, really it's up to them. And the designs will look still good as well. And I think what Vicky was sharing it, she's gonna sharing it how you can able to price the designs and anything like that. So did she say it next video? Also with this, if you're doing for the clients, like the price for the design is going to be different. It depends on how you place your crystal as well. I'm excited to see your next video with Vicky was sharing with us. But with this design, how much you charge for the salon if you want to do something like that? Oh, it's just I did it. Great. So now I am going to key it for 60 seconds. I'm happy with this. Hopefully you also too. And we key it for 60 seconds. Is that crooked at all?
No, you're fine.
Good. Thank you, Foxy. I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. Thank you, Nikki. Let me see. Did you touch it?
No. Just look at it before we cue it.
You did the one because I gave it to you. It wasn't that crooked.
Sure.
You did it.
Okay, I did it.
Hold on. How could you do that? How could you placement?
I did it.
I think you touch it and then you didn't see that.
Mm-mm. Oh, anyway.
Well, nobody do it, and all of a sudden it's crooked.
You know what? The crystal is still alive.
No, everyone, do you hear that?
Yeah.
So it's totally perfect, right? It's perfect before I leave the screen. and when it comes to his hand, it's crooked. Sorry, just try to give him a hard time, so he will never mess around with our crystal placement. I feel like a little like, so people don't care. So people don't care and they are working. Bonita, I still thinking too soon personally. Nikki, such a good idea. I'm gonna just start pressing, but have too many. Such a good idea. I would love to start pressing, but I have demanding 5 years old. All right, hold on. I'm missing the conversation, really. We can roll on, but I don't want to take risk in my family. So right now I'm doing press on. Great. Bonita is a great idea. So then that's why we're sharing with the press ons and with press ons. I think it's treasure box. That's why.